Okay, let's continue. This left side, mini casino. I cannot get inside with the camera. If you want to spend some money, then you have a chance. Perfume shop. Let's see if we can get inside. Lots of perfumes. Wow. Wow. Lots of... A famous Columbus, beautiful house, restaurant, cafeteria. Let's get inside. To have a lovely tour inside. This is a really stylish place. Hola chicos. Very stylish, different places. You can really enjoy something different here. This place is called Plaza Cristobal Colon, Christoph Columbus. It's a patio with a roof. Really amazing place. Highly recommend to visit. Have some coffee or eat something and just enjoy. Special place. Alright, let's go upstairs.
Ya está acá la llave, ¿vale? Pero mira, la llave está ahí. ¿Qué te pidió?
Ice cream. Pinguino. Statue of Cristobal Colon, Columbus. Cafe and something sweet, dulce. You can learn Spanish word sweet, dulce. You can buy something for smoking here. Being non-smoker, this is not shop for me, but we have many people they like smoking, so this is shop for you. Let's go upstairs to see the place. Another shop with some clothes. Yeah. Hello. Nice. Plaza del Charco down there. Really very special, very nice place. Let's go downstairs and continue our tour around Plaza del Charco. Absolutely famous in Puerto de la Cruz. Gracias. If you need a lawyer, so abogados, lawyers are here. And then another Compostelana restaurant. Usually very busy, but it's quite early for dinner. This is information, they need pizzero, somebody who can make pizzas. So if you can make pizza, you have a chance to have a job. Let's get inside. Very modern, nice place, I like it. Posters. Hola a todos. This is second pizzeria here.